Have you ever pondered the mind-bending complexities of time travel? One thought experiment that has puzzled scientists, philosophers, and curious minds alike over the years is the grandfather paradox. This paradox delves into the intriguing consequences of traveling back in time and altering events, raising profound questions about the nature of time and causality. So what exactly is the grandfather paradox? Imagine you have a time machine. You decide to journey back to a time before your grandfather met your grandmother. Now, in a bizarre twist, you inadvertently or intentionally prevent their meeting. The paradox arises. If your grandparents never met, your parent wouldn't be born, and consequently, you wouldn't exist. Yet, if you don't exist, how could you have traveled back in time to prevent their meeting in the first place? This conundrum challenges our understanding of time and causality, and it highlights the potential contradictions inherent in time travel. The grandfather paradox isn't just a whimsical thought experiment. It has significant implications for physics, philosophy, and our understanding of the universe. Let's consider several theories that have been proposed to resolve the grandfather paradox, each offering a unique perspective on time travel and its consequences. The self-consistency principle. This principle, proposed by physicist Igor Novikov, suggests that any actions taken by a time traveler were always part of history. In other words, if you traveled back in time, your actions would be consistent with the timeline that led to your existence. You might prevent the meeting of your grandparents, but another series of events would ensure your birth. Another fascinating theory is the idea of parallel universes or alternate timelines. When you travel back in time and change an event, you create a new, branching timeline. In this new timeline, your grandparents never met, and you were never born, but in your original timeline, nothing changes. This theory aligns with the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics, suggesting an infinite number of parallel universes where every possible outcome occurs. Some scientists propose that time travel might involve temporal anomalies or closed time-like curves, where cause and effect loop back on themselves. In these scenarios, the actions you take in the past could be part of a self-contained loop, avoiding any paradoxes altogether. The grandfather paradox isn't just a theoretical curiosity. It forces us to rethink our fundamental assumptions about time, causality, and reality. It challenges the linear, arrow-like perception of time that we're familiar with experiencing in our daily lives, and opens the door to a more complex, multidimensional understanding of the universe. Moreover, the paradox has inspired countless works of science fiction, from H.G. Wells' The Time Machine to modern-day films like Back to the Future and Looper. These stories not only entertain but also provoke deeper reflections on the nature of existence and the consequences of our actions. While the grandfather paradox remains unresolved, it continues to captivate and inspire, pushing the boundaries of our imagination and our scientific inquiries. Whether time travel will ever be possible is still an open question, but pondering this paradox encourages us to explore the mysteries of time and the universe with curiosity and wonder. So, the next time you find yourself daydreaming about traveling through time, remember the grandfather paradox. It's a reminder of the intricate, interconnected tapestry of events that make up our reality, and the profound questions that lie at the heart of our quest to understand the cosmos.